Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to present to you this very insightful paper from Microsoft which talks about synthetic data factory. Researchers at Microsoft and also at some other places are increasingly leveraging and exploiting synthetic data to fine-tune AI models. But the generated data sets often lack diversity. And if you have been following my channel, you might notice that we also have done various videos where we first have generated the synthetic data by various tools and means, and then we have tried to fine tune the model. But more often than not, the whole data set, the synthetic I mean, just remain harmonious and its tone remain the same and it lacks diversity. To address this, this new approach utilizes agentic workflows to produce diverse synthetic dataset, paving the way for more robust and diverse AI models. And that is why I think that this research is not just a research paper and will just remain there. I think this is going to see the light of the day very soon. The traditional methods of generating synthetic data involves prompting a large language model to produce responses and further prompts. But this approach may not accurately mirror real-world data distribution, leading to inconsistent performance. A more systematic approach can bridge this gap by generating prompts from diverse dataset and creating responses based on these prompts. So everything will be grounded. These researchers at Microsoft, which I just showed you earlier, they have done this fabulous job of coming up this framework, Agentic or AgentInstruct, which is used for producing high quality synthetic data for fine tuning LLMs. This innovative approach harnesses agentic workflows to generate diverse datasets, enhancing models' performance and diversity. The way it works is quite interesting, and you can see on your screen. There are primarily 3 to 4 steps. In the first step, there is a data generation, of course. So what they did, this team created a synthetic text dataset from 3 unlabeled web scraped datasets including the code. Then came the second step of task generation. In this, they generated new examples for 17 tasks encompassing natural language tasks, coding, tool use, and measurement estimation. Thirdly, they used agentic workflows. 3 workflows were employed. First, content transformation, where variation on text were created, offering broader latitude for instruction generation. Then came instruction generation itself, where questions were generated based on author defined types. Then came refinement of this instruction, where these were modified to increase complexity or unsolvability. Fourth and final, model fine tuning. The resultant dataset was used to fine tune the Mistral 7 billion model, which produced Orca 3. The results were outstanding. Orca 3 outperformed competitors on 13 benchmarks, demonstrating significant improvements in some cases. For example, few of the benchmarks scores were 40% on AGI eval, 54% on GSM 8K, and then 19% on MMLU. But guess who won? GPT-4. GPT-4 won on 12 benchmarks, and really hats off to OpenAI. Despite of the fact which I don't like that it is closed source and paid, it is still the number one model. Anyway, so AgentInstruct really offers a pioneering framework for generating diverse synthetic data sets, providing a valuable pattern for AI engineers to build synthetic data sets for various tasks. The application of agentic workflows has far reaching potential, and I really eagerly anticipate that its future impact on the AI development will be huge. Let me know, what do you think? Do you agree or not? If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.